Have to rotate. Oh my god. It's like it's stuck in fast forward. Spaghetti. Yum 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 yum. Up your top. Spaghetti monster.
Let's go to YouTube.
Can he do it? That's why he can't go to work next day. He even picks it off the table.
That's the 3-second rule. Ay, Dios mío, when I have kids, I will show them this video.
This is so marvelous. We have here the Dominican spaghetti eater. He doesn't want the bat to come in. It will scare him away.
She's not coming, don't worry.
He looks again. He finished off his meal. He knows he must finish it off before she comes. Kills the whole family. And cut.